What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a quick and easy oil change on the FZ-09. This is my 2015. So all you're going to need for this is your choice of 10W40 motor oil. I'm using a Motul 300V. You're going to need a new oil filter, which you should be ideally changing out every time you change the oil. So I usually either use a K&N KN204 filter or high flow HF204 filter. You can see there. You're gonna need a 17mm socket and probably a pair of gloves. All right, so as you can see back here, my rear spool on the right side broke off while I was riding. So I'm not currently able to put it up on a rear stand, so I cannot fit a normal oil pan under my bike. So I'm gonna be using this old paint tray. All right, guys, so all we're gonna be doing today is removing this drain plug, this bolt, which is actually down here on the bottom. I think on the newer models it's on the front, up in this area by the oil filter. But yeah, the model I have, it's on the bottom. The oil filter right here, that's going to come off, a new one's going to go on, and then we're just going to fill it up. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is remove this drain bolt down here. Once you get it loose, you should be able to just unscrew it with your hand. Let that drain for a bit, and now you're going to be taking the oil filter off. So these should just be hand tightened. But it's a little easier to take them off with a socket wrench sometimes, especially if they have that little nut on the end. It should be the same size socket as your drain plug, so 17mm. So you'll take that off. The oil filter spout is gonna drain for a little longer, and then we're just gonna go ahead and throw a new one back on. Okay, so before you put the new filter on, it's important to put a little dab of your new oil around this rubber ring that's around the filter. That just ensures that it's gonna have a good seal on the engine when you put it on. So once that's done draining, we're just gonna go ahead and screw the new filter on. And make sure, like I said before, that you just hand tighten it. Don't over tighten your filter. It's just a pain next time you do an oil change, trying to get it off. So that should be good. So next we're gonna throw this drain bolt back in. And same thing on this. You'll want to use your socket to tighten it down, but don't over tighten it. Just get it snug. So that should be good. Alright, and the last thing we're gonna do is come over to the right side of the bike, and this little plug right here is where we're gonna fill the oil. If you're doing an oil and filter change, you're gonna need about 2.7 liters of engine oil. It's about 2.85 quarts, I think. If you're just doing an oil change and you're not changing the filter, I think it's closer to 2.4 liters. So yeah, 2.7 liters if you're doing exactly what I just did. I have exactly 2.7 liters in here. That's why I'm using the whole thing. But just use the markings on the side to measure what you're putting in. Once you finish filling it up, go ahead and throw that cap back on, and then you're going to want to turn it on and let it run for a few minutes. After you let it run for a bit, you're going to want to tilt your bike to where it's level if it's not already on a stand. And then you can just check this little sight glass down here. Just make sure the oil is about halfway, maybe a little over. If you need to, top it off. And then that's about it, guys. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more content. If you guys have any questions, just put them down in the comments below.